Are you or someone you know experiencing symptoms of postpartum depression and looking for support? Starting August 15th, join us for a new video series from the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services Office on Women's Health. Introducing Sources of Support, exploring resources for postpartum depression. Hear about the many avenues for postpartum depression support every Thursday at 3 p.m. Eastern Time, August 15th through September 5th, on the Office on Women's Health YouTube channel. From lactation consultants and doulas to hotline counselors and WIC providers, meet the experts who are here to help. Alone doesn't have to be the only way forward. Subscribe now and tune in every Thursday starting August 15th at youtube.com/@womenshealthgov.